Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's see how to make an Indo-Chinese recipe which is very popular in Hyderabad, which is called the Majestic chicken. Here I have 500 grams of boneless chicken which I have cut into long strips. I'm going to marinate that with 250 ml of buttermilk and salt. I'm going to mix this well. And I'm going to let it rest in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, I'm just going to remove these pieces from the buttermilk and put it in a separate bowl. To this I'm going to add a little bit of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of flour, plain flour, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste. Just going to mix this well. Now I'm going to crack an egg in this. Mix it well with the chicken. Now let's keep this in the refrigerator for an hour. Now after an hour, we need to simply deep fry these pieces of chicken. For that, I've already kept oil to be heated. Our chicken is nice and crisply fried. We're done with frying the chicken. Now let's get on with the recipe. I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic that I've chopped. And I'm going to add few curry leaves and 3 green chilies that I have chopped. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a heaped teaspoon, and a heaped teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this till the raw smell goes off. Here I have a cup of whipped curd which I'm going to add. I like it nice and spicy, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and quarter cup of mint. We're going to saute this masala till it's nice and dry. Now let's add a teaspoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of red chilli sauce, very little salt to taste, finely chopped fresh coriander leaves, juice of half a lemon, and I'm going to just add the fried chicken to this and coat the chicken pieces well with this. And our chicken Majestic is ready to be served. Let's garnish this with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And you can serve them as a party snack, or you can have it with chapatis as well. So do try this delicious recipe and let me know.